इनके 25 साल शादी का पूरा।
Now he's 25 years of wedding anniversary.
बहुत अच्छा है।
Good or not?
और सभी दूसरों को उन्होंने बुलाया। बहुत लोग तो करते हैं, ऐसा सबके पास है। दिल्ली में ऐसे भी नहीं है जिसके पास
In Delhi,
पैसा न हो।
there is no such person who has no money.
किंतु देखो पैसा कहाँ पर खर्च करना है,
Where you spend money, this is the main thing.
जीवन में आप लोग की उपलब्धि है। और खुद कमाने में जितने कष्ट होता है,
It's so hard to earn money.
सौ कष्ट किसमें होता है भाई?
The more hard it is to
खर्च करते हैं,
spend that money, protect that money.
और फिर जितना भी पैसा है उसको और भी रखने में और भी कष्ट होता है।
And it's also hard to protect the money. This is true.
पैसा कमाने में जितने कष्ट नहीं होता है,
It's so hard.
और उससे कष्ट होता है पैसा को खर्च करने में और
It is so hard to
संभालने में।
take care of that money.
एक हमारे प्रभु जी जो है माधवी देवी और
Our Prabhu ji, Rajesh ji,
आज इनकी जो है 25वीं साल ग्रहण
his 25th wedding anniversary.
सिल्वर जुबली बोल रहे हैं।
Silver Jubilee.
विवाह करने में तो कोई देर नहीं लगती है, लेकिन 25 साल सहने में बड़ी हिम्मत की है।
देखो कितना आश्चर्य की बात है। पैसा को देखो किस तरह में लगा।
How to utilize the money is very important. People are doing many things, going to party, doing many things. Here and there they are going.
आप लोग के सामने जो टीवी आते हैं,
And then
हिदायत हिदायत द्रव्य करने वाले हैं।
it melts the heart or not.
मैं सुनना नहीं चाहता, मैं बोलना तो सुनते ही और उसको देखते ही हृदय।
When I hear and see that, my heart melts.
कई लोग क्या कहे करने के जाते हैं,
Some people they go to make honeymoon,
हनीमून बनाने जाते हैं, पहाड़ों पर चले जाते हैं,
go to the mountains, going here there.
क्या हुआ? किंतु देखो आप उधर पर उन्होंने समस्त वैष्णव को बुलाया, परिवार जनों को भी बुलाया, अपने पड़ोसी जनों को भी बुलाया।
They've invited everyone. Very nice, very happy.
बताए ये मेरे
They told me, oh, he's my father.
ससुर जी है,
He's my husband-in-law. He's this, he's that. They introduced me to the whole family. Very nice.
ऐसे
This
जो
is
है बृहस्पति सभी को एकत्रित करा करके वैष्णव को भी बुलाया।
all you gathered and invited to Vaishnavas also. And very beautiful picture of Thakurji is here. Gurudev picture is here as well.
हमारी गोपाल जी है, कितने सुंदर,
And Gopal ji,
सब पूरा करके और गोपाल सुंदर जो सरली कंठ से कीर्तन करने वाले
sang very beautiful.
हमारे प्रभु
Prabhu,
सुंदर गोपाल प्रभु जी,
Sundar Gopal Prabhu, give a big round of applause for him.
कितने सुंदर
Very nice, beautiful
सुनाया।
kirtan he did.
लोग तो उधर चले जाते हैं और सिनेमा की
People they go over there, go to cinema,
और
do this, that, and many things. I don't know.
पता भी नहीं है,
I don't know.
किंतु सुंदर पट
But I hear what they're doing.
किंतु देखो कितने सुंदर
But look, very nice.
आंखों की प्रोडक्ट कर
Mood of Vrindavan he manifested right here. It feels like we are in the Vrindavan.
कितने सुंदर
Very nice. Kirtan completely melted again and again, but due to time constraints, the Kirtan was less. But this world is called limited world.
सीमित है,
It's limited.
किंतु चित जगत में
But the transcendental world
असीम अनंत है।
is endless.
उस जगत को कहा जाता है आनंदमय धाम कहा जाता है।
It's called Anandamay Dham,
आनंदमय अभ्यास,
full of bliss.
आनंदमय
Anandamay Bhyasat.
उस चीज जगत में उस समय
And
के
that time
वर्तमान समय कहा जाता है।
is
उसमें कोई अतीत काल नहीं है,
there is no past and future, no past tense and neither the future tense in the
केवल
text.
क्या रहता है,
There is only
प्रेजेंट
present continuous tense. What's happening right now? It's going on like this. Very nice, beautiful world. And he's singing so beautiful Braja Kirtans. I felt so nice. I wanted the Kirtans to go on, but due to time constraints we have in this world, right? Time is up. We have to do Thakur Ji Arati also. Then they called us. We have to do the Swasti Vajan of the family who we are celebrating today. All the Vaishnavas, blessed them. Not 25. Their house nice, maintained, happy life for 100 years, not only 25. So all, give a big round of applause for everyone. The mood should be like this. The family is happy when the chanting holy names, doing bhajan. Sometimes I explain Katha of Lord Shiva. Somebody asked Mahadev, Mahadev ji, tell me, I'm seeing in your hall assembly, Devi Parvati, you and the children, Ganesh ji, Kartik ji, and Lakshmi Devi, and who else?
अरे भाई सरस्वती भी है,
सरस्वती जी।
किंतु आपके परिवार में जितने सबकी जो है अलग अलग, सब अलग अलग दिखाई पड़ रहे हैं। भाई देखो शिव जी के वाहन कौन है? नंदी।
His vehicle is Nandi.
अच्छा बाबा, देवी किसके ऊपर बैठी हुई है?
Mahadev vehicle is Nandi bull, but no problem. And Mahadev Vinayak is wearing snake.
अच्छा बता, गणेश जी के देखो,
have you seen Ganesh ji? Ganesh's vehicle animal is rat. Russia I went, and in airport there was a deity of Ganesh ji in the airport.
रशिया में एयरपोर्ट में,
In Russia airport, which airport was it?
अरे गणेश जी में विशाल गणेश जी मूर्ति है, उसके ऊपर
Big Ganesh deities,
और चूहे के ऊपर बड़ा एक चूहा है,
and he's sitting on a rat.
बहुत सुंदर, बिल्कुल
Very nice. Inside the airport.
यहाँ पर हम एंट्रेंस करते हैं, विशाल गणेश जी की मूर्ति है और ऊपर बैठे हुए कुछ, मैंने उसकी कथा सुना है। चल
I explained the katha there,
गणेश जी के
but
बाहर कौन है?
who is the
चूहा है, और शिव जी
vehicle
के गले में कौन है?
rat? And Lord Shiva was wearing snake.
चूहा शिव के केवल सांप यदि चूहे को देखे,
If a snake sees a rat naturally, it will attack and eat it, right? But in the family of Lord Mahadev, no problem.
अच्छा,
Surprising.
कार्तिक के बहन कौन है?
And Kartika,
कौन है?
that is the peacock. The snake cannot be there wherever the peacock is because the peacock will attack the snake.
इसने शिव जी का ही प्रश्न पूछा,
Somebody asked Lord Shiva, your family had so many varieties. How all you stay together? They are all opposite. It's like one is meant to eat the other one. So Lord Shiva gave a very beautiful response. He said, look, we do bhajan, right?
हम क्या करते हैं?
What are we doing?
भजन करते हैं।
Bhajan. What bhajan doing?
हम कृष्ण नाम जप करते हैं।
Chanting Krishna name, Ram name.
जिस क्रिया में भगवत नाम कीर्तन।
Now when Bhagavad Nam is being chanted, holy name, those chanting holy names, they bring us happiness for disregard. Lord Shiva is chanting holy name, Brahma with his 5 heads is chanting Krishna Krishna. And Shiva with his 5 heads is chanting Ram 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 Ram.
तो मतलब थोड़ी सी बन रहा है, ज्यादा तो हिंदी है ही। ब्रह्मा जी के कितने सिर है? 4। ब्रह्मा जी क्या जप करते हैं?
What is he chanting?
कृष्ण कृष्ण जप करते हैं।
Krishna
हमारे
Krishna
कितने सिर है?
Krishna. How many heads do we have?
कितने सिर है? एक बात बताते हैं, हमारे
That also sometimes not working.
करते कि नहीं करते? काम करते करते जब आप थक जाते हो,
When you're tired, then you say, no, my brain is not working. I'm tired. You have the brain, but it's not working.
देखो ब्रह्मा जी के 4
But Brahma has 4 heads.
और
4
4
heads.
सिर में 4 लोग क्या नाम जप करते हैं?
And with all that, he
हे कृष्ण, हे कृष्ण, कृष्ण कृष्ण, हरे हरे, हरे राम, राम राम, हरे। और महादेव शिव जी
And
के
Mahadev
कितने मस्तक है?
has 5 heads.
शिव जी
Chanting Ram Ram.
कभी कृष्ण
Krishna Radha.
करते महादेव जी। भागवत की कथा के प्रवक्ता कौन है?
Who is the speaker of Bhagavad? Mahadev.
शिव पार्वती की कथा है। आप लोग
Katha of Shiva and Parvati is there. You go to Amarnath, right? Many people are going Amarnath. Time is there. It's summer time, right? People go to Amarnath, Amar Katha, the eternal
और भागवत की कथा
The
प्रारंभ
Bhagavad Gita started from there. That is called Amar Katha.
भागवत कथा की क्या कहा जाता है?
That Katha is called Amar Katha.
तब कथमृतम तप्त जीवनम कविभिरीडितम कर्मसाहकम सर्वमंगलम श्रीमदात्तकम भुवि गृह्णन्ति ते भूरिदा जनाः। तब कथा अमृत, जो अमृत के पान करने से जीव अमर हो जाता है। ये तो देखो भागवत
By drinking the nectar, the jiva becomes eternal. But if someone drinks the nectar of Bhagavatam, then no need to come back in this material existence.
उसके पान करके देवता लोग कभी कभी
Demigods, they taste the nectar in heaven and sometimes they
भी डिप्रेड हो जाते हैं।
fall down. They get absorbed in anger, lust, and things like this. Examples are many: Indra, Chandra, Moon.
हम उसके तरफ नहीं जा रहे।
Okay, I'm not talking about that, but Bhagavatam nectar, this nectar, if someone drinks this nectar of immortality, all kinds of material desires in the heart will be destroyed. From the roots it will be destroyed.
इसलिए महादेव जी
Mahadev ji,
यही अमरनाथ है, अमर कथा
Samar Katha, Amarnath,
भागवत के प्रवक्ता महादेव जी, अश्रोता स्वयं देवी पार्वती। इसलिए हम इसे कह रहे हैं महादेव जी स्वयं कीर्तन करते हैं। राम
Mahadev is Kirtan, Ram.
हम इसलिए कह रहे
I'm
हैं
saying this because
जी, भागवत नाम की महिमा
glories of the holy name is like this.
इसे स्वयं महादेव जी कह रहे हैं। हमारे परिवार में सब आप देख रहे हैं क्या? सब अपोजिट,
All in my family are opposite.
शत्रु के रूप में दिखाई पड़े। सांप और चूहे और मोर और सांप, शेर और बैल,
So lion, bull,
ये
snake,
सब एक साथ
rat,
में कैसे रहे?
peacock, snake.
महादेव
How are they staying together? Mahadev is saying, I'm doing Hari Bhajan.
आप हमें शिक्षा क्या देते हैं?
Teaching, what is the teaching?
संसार में रहे,
You can stay in the family, but chant holy names.
जैसे
Like
इनके घर में देखो
in this house, Thakur ji picture is very beautiful. They're doing Hari Bhajan.
है। इसलिए हमारी शिक्षा उसी प्रकार है।
Teaching is like this.
भगवत नाम परिचय,
So everybody chant holy names.
सेंट्रलाइज करके
Centralize God
हम रहे,
and
घर
stay
को
in the
पवित्र
family.
बनाए।
Make your house pure.
घर में देखो, घर में
In the house,
संसार होना नहीं चाहिए।
it should not be a cremation ground.
संसार में किसको ले जाता है?
Cremation ground, who goes?
हाँ? अरे जोर से तो बोलो।
Say loudly, na?
मुर्दे को ले जाते
Dead
हैं।
body is being taken in the cremation ground, but we are
हम अपने
humans.
फ्रिज में क्या रखते
But in
थे?
the fridge, we are keeping what?
मुर्दे को रखते थे।
Dead bodies. What it means? The fish
और क्या बोले?
and
मांस जो है,
chicken and meat.
आज उसे फ्रिज में रख दीजिए अंडा। ये
It
सब
is,
क्या है?
they are all dead bodies.
घर को पवित्र रखो।
Keep your house clean, pure. Don't be offended, I'm sadhu, I have to speak the truth, right?
बोले तो मारे,
If I speak the truth, people will oppose.
बोले तो
If people lie, then people become happy.
सच बोलना पड़ता है। साधु तो
I
सच
have to
बोलेंगे।
speak the truth because sadhu's beauty is this.
हैं?
This is the sadhu's duty. It is very nice day we are here today. Keep your house pure, very nice. All the people sitting here, wherever I'm seeing, everyone is having a tilak. Very nice. I'm feeling very beautiful tilak. I'm seeing on my forehead. Who are sitting in the front. All they have tilak. Everyone is having a Japamala bead bag also. This is very nice. Hereby, those who are staying, tell to them. This is the instruction of Mahaprabhu. He gave instruction.
Krishna Upadesh, हमारा गाय गुरु भैया महाप्रभु चैतन्य महाप्रभु सबको आदेश दिया जिसको देखोगे
instruction brothers, sisters, everyone chant the names of Krishna. Kaliyuga in Kaliyuga only see this little child is also saying very nice, good or not. We are here today only for this regard. So again and again we remember this. So in this anniversary, the wedding anniversary, he invited to me also. Very nice poor place this is. The place where you go, you feel automatically happy. So for this regard, everyone, those who are living nearby localities, everyone chant names of Krishna. I will tell the truth. When we forget our truth, the Vidharmi, they will come and they will destroy to us. Today, whatever we are seeing today, what is the reason? We have forgotten our own dharma. This is true. I'm saying the truth. If we don't say we are Hindu, at least say हम हिंदू हैं. Bharat Mata, India Mata. We are the residents of India, Bharat. With proud, we should say Hindu. But it won't work out if you just say this. Just I repeat. We have to follow the proper rules of being a Hindu. We have to teach everyone. Go to your brothers. Otherwise, see what situation is going on. Slowly, we will be extinct. We will be extinct and forget our dharma. More and more atheists will become. The Vidharmi, they will come and kill to us. They won't let us stay. In Bhagavad we see time of Ambarish Maharaj, very beautiful, huge Bharat was it, the whole country slowly, very short, it's being shortened. The reason is only this, that we are forgetting our own culture and tradition. For this regard, so everyone should be aware. Everyone aware. The revolution should be there. A very big round of applause for this. We should forget everything. We must unite, and we must be together. And otherwise, will be disappeared one day soon. For this regard, that's why we're here. All around the world, this is what I'm teaching also. See, devotees from the West are here. See, the Brazil Brahmachari from America is here.
और कहां से लोग आते हैं।
And people from many countries come, some
हमारे
from
भारत
England.
में किस लिए आते हैं?
Why are they coming to India?
रामचंद्र
Because this is the land of Ramchandra,
सानी को दर्शन
Krishna, to take darshan of that.
कल मैं जब फ्लाइट में जा रहा था,
Yesterday when I was coming in the flight,
करीब 300
300
लोग थे इसमें।
were there, people in the flight.
कम से कम इंडियन तो बहुत कम था मैंने देखा।
Indians were very less, but
कितने
very Western devotees, people were there in the flight.
किसमें आ रहे हैं?
Why are they coming to here, India?
हमारे भारतवर्ष की सभ्यता संस्कृति को देखने
To see the culture and tradition of India. Why are they coming?
हैं? हमारे भारतीय सभ्यता और संस्कृति
To see the culture and tradition of India.
मैं जाता हूँ
I asked
इसलिए
one person,
रामचंद्र की जन्मभूमि दर्शन करने के लिए।
why are you going India? They said, some I'm going to take darshan of Ayodhya, I'm going to take Varanasi, someone told I'm going to Vrindavan.
देखो लोग आते हैं।
See, that's
कोई
why people are
कहते हैं
coming to India.
पंडिचेरी जा रहे हैं।
Someone is saying going to Pondicherry, the India culture and civilization to take a glimpse of that. Many people come from all over, but the misfortune is that we are not valuing our own culture and tradition. We must not forget it.
हमारे रामचंद्र की आदर्श है स्वयं भगवान रामचंद्र,
Lord Ramchandra,
स्वयं भगवान कृष्ण
Lord Krishna,
जगत में प्रकट हुए।
he appeared
वो वृंदावन धाम से
from Nitya Golok Vrindavan Dham. He came
और हमें दिखाया कैसे सुंदर करके विराजी दिखाया।
and he performed beautiful pastimes.
राजनीति के चक्कर में हम पड़ जाते हैं तो हम सब कुछ भूल जाते हैं।
If we are thinking about politics, we forget everything. Don't
हम
think about politics. We are in the
भगवत भक्ति
Bhagavad Bhakti, do Bhakti.
नाम करना बहुत
Chant holy
श्रीमद्
names.
चैतन्य महाप्रभु
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
जो चीज लेकर के आए हैं जैसे गोलोक प्रेमधाम
Golokera Prema, Sankirtana.
नाम संकीर्तन। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे। बहुत सुंदर ये है। हाँ
Very nice, beautiful.
ये पर जाकर के हम अपने
Must I finish here?
विराम दिखा दें। बहुत आनंद हुई
Very nice.
आपकी इस सभा में आकर के
Come here
और
and
जो आपने जो सुंदर जो व्यवस्था आदि
all
किया,
you arranged very nice arrangements.
इसलिए आप लोग के लिए
So
बड़ी
I'm grateful to you.
इसलिए
Thank you.
मैं अपने पंच पर विराम देता हूँ। अरे अभी सस्तिवाचन हो जाए और कभी की सुंदर कीर्तन जो है ये तो